13. Visiting a patient. Dialogue 1.
Betty, how are you today?
I feel better. Thanks for coming.
You look good. What did the doctor say?
He said it was a minor operation, so I think I don't need to be worried.
Yes, you will be fine soon. Did he say when you can go home?
No, I should ask him later.
Not in a hurry. You should take some good rest.
I think so.
Is there anything I can do for you?
Yes, can you ring the nurse? It's time for another injection. Dialogue 2. Hey, how are you feeling today? I'm fine, thanks. I brought you some flowers. Thank you. Did you talk to your doctor? What did she say? She said it was not very serious. I can leave hospital next week. That's good. Is there anything I can do? I want to go to the toilet. Let me go with you. No, thanks. I can take care of myself. Okay, be careful. (14) On the commencement. Dialogue 1. Hello, going to the commencement?
Yes, I suppose you're going there too.
Sure, let's go together.
Who's going to make the opening speech?
The president of our college.
Who's going to present the diploma?
It's a secret.
Have you given your graduation invitation to your friends?
Yes, and I invited my parents to come as well. Dialogue 2.
Hey, congratulations.
Thanks, you too.
We should be proud of ourselves. After all these years slaving, I wouldn't miss the commencement for anything.
Yes, I agree. Did you pick up your robe yet?
Yes. How about you?
Not yet. I'm going there now.
Okay, so I'll see you there later.
Sure, I'll meet you there. We definitely need to talk.
Yes, see you later.
See you. (15) Birthday party. Dialogue 1.
Happy birthday! You look so beautiful tonight.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Oh, you are so sweet.
Why not open it?
Sure. Oh, it's a cat. It's so cute. Dawn, I really don't know how to thank you.
I'm glad you like it. Her name is Lily.
This is really a nice name. Dialogue 2.
Happy birthday, Anne. Many happy returns of the day. Here's a present for you.
Thank you, Peter. Come into the dining room. We're going to cut the cake soon.
Okay, who's that girl?
That's Kathy. She's pretty, isn't she? She likes dancing. Go and ask her to dance.
Well, I don't know.
Don't be afraid. She isn't going to bite you.
Who's afraid? I'm not afraid.
Then come on, please. (16) At the wedding ceremony. Dialogue 1. Great! So you're here with Mark. I've been looking all over for you. Congratulations on your marriage, Jane. And nice to meet you, Paul. Thank you. Did you enjoy yourself? Yes, a grand wedding party. Have you opened the gift I gave you? Yes, thanks a lot. Hawaii is a nice place for the honeymoon.
What wedding gift did she give you?
2 plane tickets to Hawaii. I want to thank you as well, Mark. I love the picture. It's just what we need.
I'm glad you liked them. It's late. I think I'll have to go now.
I'm leaving too. Let me give you a ride. Dialogue 2. Here is my invitation for you. Thank you. Let me have a look. Your wedding will be held on next Friday? Yes, as you see. Congratulations! Thank you. Will you come then? Of course I will. You are my best friend. Your best friend has a request for you. What is it? Would you like to be my bridesmaid? Oh, I'm glad to. I will make good preparations for it. (17) In the beauty salon. Dialogue 1. How can I help you?
Well, I have oily skin, and there's always small bumps here and there on my face. They are really irritating. How can I get rid of them?
Well, I would suggest that you wash your face often. Every night you should rinse your face with lukewarm water, then pat it dry with a clean towel. Make sure you don't rub it dry. Then you apply this cream to your face.
Oh, this cream?
Yeah, it's pretty effective in wiping out pore-clogging dirt and oil. It rids your face of dead cells and helps stimulate circulation. Dialogue 2. Do you know anyone who's had plastic surgery? You mean like breast enlargement? I don't think that's really necessary. That's not the way a woman should stay attractive. Why not? Why can't we go back to the way things were? 'Cause I don't know. But Connie, you wouldn't do that, would you? Darned right I would. Maybe makeup would be enough. Come on, Liz, be open-minded. I really hope surgery can wipe out the tired feelings. But what would other people think? I don't care what other people think. I'm ready for a lift. (18) At the barber shop. Dialogue 1.
How would you like your hair today? The same style as usual?
I have a special party to attend tonight, and I'd like to change my style.
What about a perm?
It sounds nice.
Here are some samples of hairstyles. What do you think about this one?
No, I don't like short hair. I like this one. The wave looks beautiful, and it fits my age, too.
Very well. You are not in a hurry, are you?
No, you can take your time. Oh, I also want a manicure while I'm having the perm.
Okay, the manicurist will be right here.
Thank you. How much will these two cost?
It's $90 in all.
Dialogue 2. Good afternoon, sir. Please sit here.
A haircut and a shave, please.
How would you like your haircut, sir?
Short on both sides, not so much off at the back.
Okay, do you want me to trim your beard?
Yes, please.
Now have a look, please. Is it all right?
Well, I would like my hair cut shorter on the temples.
Do you want conditioner?
No, thanks, but I'd like a facial massage.
(19) In the gym. Dialogue 1.
Hi, Mary.
Hi, Jack. You look very healthy. Do you often take exercise recently?
Yes, I do. I go to the gymnasium twice a week.
That's good for you. What do you often do at the gym?
There are many apparatus, such as running machine, dumbbell, dynamic bicycle, etc.
Oh, that's too much for me. I want to do some light sports.
For girls, yoga, bodybuilding exercise, and dancing are good choices.
That sounds interesting. I'd like to go and have a try.
Don't hesitate anymore.
Haha, thanks for your information.
You're welcome.
Dialogue 2.
I have been noticing you for quite a time. You look really strong, man.
Thank you. I have kept taking exercise here for almost 2 years.
2 years? That's amazing. I have only been here for 2 months. I don't think I can hold this on consistently and persistently.
It's nothing difficult. You need to make yourself a plan at the beginning. Then just do according to it.
Good idea. I also want to have strong muscle like yours. It is quite attractive. Do you have any advice?
Sure. The bodybuilding apparatus are necessary for you. After exercise, you need to eat food contains carbohydrate.
I will do as you said.
Okay, I can't wait to see your progress.
Thank you. It's very kind of you.
You are welcome.
Thanks for watching Dhaka English Story.